Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set your clock at an Audi A1 or S1. Okay, let's have a seat at the driver's seat. Now switch ignition to on, and as you can see in the middle of the heads-up display there are some informations. In my case it is 0 kilometer per hour. Because this area you can switch different types. In the middle there is the clock all the time, and if you press on the left side the set button you can choose the setting. And as you can see now, there it is. There's a digital clock sign at the top side of your heads-up display. It's 9:15 a.m. And now let's set the time. You have to push and hold the set button for 1 second approx. That was too slow for me. So press and hold the set button until the hour is flashing a little bit. So now you can set the time with the right button every time +1. And if you push again the set button, you can switch to minutes. And there you are able to push the right button to set the minutes. Every push is 1 minute, or if you hold it, it will go a little bit faster, as you can see. So you can set your car watch time in the center of the heads-up display, and this time will go to the middle computer heads-up display too. It is a car central time now. So you can watch and set. So set, push it until it's flashing, then you can set it by the button on the right side. So easy it is to give another time into your computer. That is the easiest and fastest way to set the time. And of course you can switch to kilometer back on the heads-up display, but you have every time a clock in the center heads-up display in the middle car unit information system. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.